Welcome to Jasim Graphs. Today, we have a really special explainer for you all. We're going to discover one of the most amazing and definitely one of the most famous animals in the whole world. That's right, we are going to learn all about the incredible leaping kangaroo. But to start us off, I've got a fun little question for you. Did you know that a kangaroo actually uses its big, strong tail almost like an extra leg to help it walk? I know, right? A tail acting as a leg? It sounds completely made up, but it's absolutely true. It's so amazing, and we're going to learn exactly how they do that.
All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Here is our quick roadmap for today. Number 1, meet the kangaroo. Number 2, where kangaroos live. Number 3, what kangaroos eat. Number 4, kangaroo daily habits. Number 5, amazing kangaroo facts. And finally, number 6, our summary and goodbye.
Number 1, meet the kangaroo. So, what exactly is this creature? Well, the common name we all know and love is kangaroo, but its scientific name is Macropodidae. Let's say that together, nice and slow. Macropodidae. It actually means large foot. Isn't that cool? They literally have huge feet perfectly built for jumping. And as for what type of animal it is, well, it's a mammal, but it's a very special type of mammal called a marsupial.
Now, you might be asking, what in the world is a marsupial? That is a fantastic question. Let's learn this big word together. A marsupial is a special type of mammal where the mother carries her baby safely inside a front pouch. Think of it like a super cozy, built-in pocket right on her tummy where the little baby can grow up safe and sound.
And these amazing animals can grow to be super big. The red kangaroo is the biggest of them all. They can actually grow up to 2 meters tall and weigh up to 90 kilograms. Whoa, 90 kilograms? To put that into perspective, that's as heavy as a huge dog or even a grown adult. They really are the leaping giants of the animal world. Number 2, where kangaroos live. Let's check out their natural habitat. So, where exactly is their home? What is their habitat? Let's learn that big word too, habitat. A habitat is simply the natural home where an animal lives and grows. It's the perfect place out in nature that has absolutely everything they need to survive. The kangaroo's habitat is mostly found in the beautiful regions of Australia and New Guinea. They are perfectly built to survive in the climates there, which include some very hot dry lands, big sandy deserts, and even lush green forests. Surviving in those super hot and dry places takes a whole lot of energy. Number 3, what kangaroos eat. They have quite a unique diet. To understand what they eat, we first need to know that kangaroos are herbivores. Let's think about that word for a second. Herbivore. Does that mean they only eat plants, leaves, and grasses, and absolutely zero meat? Yep, you guessed it. That is exactly what a herbivore is. They are strict plant eaters.
Their absolute favorite foods to find out in the wild are grasses and small shrubs. But here's where it gets really interesting. They have a totally unique trait. Their tummies are so special that when they digest all that grass, they burp with almost zero methane gas. I know, clean burps. It's such a funny, surprising fact, but it means they are actually really good for the environment, even when they burp. Number 4, kangaroo daily habits. Let's look at their day and night routines. Because they live in such intensely hot places, their daily schedule is incredibly smart. During the bright, blazing daytime, they mostly just rest in the cool shade, but when nighttime rolls around, they wake up and hop all over the place to find their food. It makes total sense, right? The sun is just way too hot during the day, so they prefer the nighttime when the air is nice and cool. As you'll see here, these kangaroos are taking a nice, peaceful break right in the dark shade of a tree. When the sun is beating down, they cleverly hide under the trees. And get this, they will even lick their own arms to stay cool. The wetness on their skin actually helps lower their body temperature. How smart is that?
They really are brilliant. And you might have noticed they are all sitting together in a big group. So what do you call a group of kangaroos? Well, that brings us to our next big vocabulary word. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. A mob is a big family group of kangaroos that all live together safely. The really crucial point here is that kangaroos are incredibly social animals. They love making friends and they really don't like being alone. Inside their mob, mothers and their babies form super strong, long-term family bonds. They care for each other and keep the whole group safe from danger. They just have wonderful, tight-knit families.
Number 5, amazing kangaroo facts. Time for some incredible secrets. All right, get ready for a massive number. 70 kilometers per hour. Wow, is that really how fast they can hop? Yes, that is literally as fast as a car driving down the road. They are just lightning fast when they need to be. And here's another mind-blowing number for you. 3 meters. Can a kangaroo really jump 3 meters high straight up into the air? You bet they can. The powerful tendons in their big hind legs act exactly like giant stretchy rubber springs, launching them straight into the sky. I've got 2 more incredible facts for you. Remember how fast we said they hop? Well, the bouncing motion of hopping actually pumps their lungs up and down. This brilliant trick helps them breathe without wasting any extra energy. And for our last amazing fact, when a baby kangaroo is first born, it is literally the size of a tiny lima bean, a tiny bean. And that little bean manages to climb all the way into its mother's pouch to grow big and strong. Nature is just full of so much wonder. Number 6, summary and goodbye. Let's quickly review the facts. Here are our big 3 keywords for today. Let's say them slowly so we can really lock them into our brains. Number 1 is marsupial. That's a special mammal with a pouch for its baby. Number 2 is herbivore. That's an animal that only eats plants and grasses. And number 3 is mob, a big, friendly family group of kangaroos. Try to keep those big words in your brain. Thank you so much for learning with us here at Jasim Graphs today. If you had fun learning all about the kangaroo, please give this explainer a like and hit subscribe for more awesome learning adventures. And just a quick friendly reminder, this explainer was made with the help of AI. AI is amazing, but it can sometimes make little mistakes. So always keep learning, stay curious, and double-check your facts. Next time you see a bouncy spring or a rubber ball, ask yourself, could a giant kangaroo jump higher? I bet it could. Goodbye, everyone!